So here's my unboxing review of this 1990s Nikko Atlantic 95. So let's get it out of the box. It looks pretty complete. We've got the instruction manual. We've got the remote. Could do with a little clean in all fairness. Oh, what's this? Ah, that looks like a little stand. Slide. And yeah, so there it is, guys. There it is on a stand. On your pretty little fella. What a handsome little boat this. Shame with the little broke there, that could just be glued back on. Oh, look at that. Crack little boat. And the seller did say that they put batteries in it for me, so let's see if it's working. Looks like it's working to me. Right, the next test is see if it floats. So the advantages with a boat of this size is you can just put it into the washing up bowl. And there. Sits pretty well. Nice. And let's give it a little rudder works. See if the reverse works. Yeah, seems to be fine. Let's go and get it in the water. So after taking it out of the sink, I brought it down to the Barry Nap, which is my local little boating area. The main lake was a bit too choppy for this little 130 scale today, so what I did is put it into these little pools which are nearer to the top of the park, which was like a mill pond, and look at this boat coming down towards you. It's not going to break any speed records, but 10 out of 10 for the nostalgia. This is giving proper 1999 Christmas vibes. You get a PS1 and you get a nice little Nikko removal boat from Toys R Us. So obviously times have changed quite a bit, and I was having boats like this when I was a young lad. So in the last 25 to 30 years, you can imagine there's been massive advances in these boats. But that doesn't matter, that's not what this boat is all about. It's just for a little nostalgic look down memory lane of when I was a young lad. Just look at that Grand Theft Auto view there. Now what I'll do is I'll be quiet and just let you watch the boat have a little cruise around on this beautiful sunny day down in Barry. So like I was saying, there's been massive advances over the last few years in these boats, and even so, I would rate this boat quite highly just for the nostalgic value. At the end of the day, it's a 30-odd-year-old toy-grade, non-proportional toy boat, but do you know what? I had the best day with it. So, if you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making it, just let me know. Drop me a comment and say boats, because if I get one comment saying boat, I will go and buy another vintage boat from Nikko and make a video of it. It would literally take one comment saying boat and I will go and buy another vintage boat.